Hello everyone, welcome to Build a Garden Box. I'm here in my home garage with my dad, and he is going to be making a garden box for you. So without further ado, Duke Sr.
Hello everyone, we're here to build a garden box. What we need for this garden box is two 5.5 by 6 foot dog ear pickets that can be found at any big box hardware store. And here we go. So we have our pre-cut dog ears, and they're 25 5/8. And we're going to take these, and we're going to take one, and we're going to mount to the side. We're going to mount to the side of the bottom, which is the base. And we're going to put a nail, a brad nail, right in the side of this one to hold it. And now we're going to come to the side of this one, if you can see that. Let's see if I can adjust here. And we're going to evenly nail another one here. So basically start out that way. Now we're going to do the same thing to the other side. Come around and I'll flip this around here. And we'll nail a starter nail here in the center. Another starter here, and one more here. I know that's the base for our box. And from there, we're going to take these 6-inch tops from the fence, from the dog ear picket, and we're going to actually nail these at both ends. Nail these at both ends like so. Just even them up. And these are pre-cut 6 inches from the top, from the full top of the ear to the base, and they sit on top of the base. And we're going to actually throw a couple of nails here. These brad nails are roughly 2.5 inches. Enough to seat well into both pieces. So just want to even those up. You know, there's optional ways of doing this. You can always put glue in, but we usually build new boxes every year, so the pickets only cost about $3 a piece, so I don't think it's, if you can save them for the next year, then that's fine, but if not, you can always run and spend another $6, and there you go. Here's the box, and then once you get it all tacked in, you can always go back and throw a few more nails in and start your next box.